Hello all and welcome to the Mug Life DIY. This is Julia and I'm so glad you decided to stop by my fun and I'll say randomly eclectic channel. So today I am bringing you a little shelf that I am not quite sure what I want to do with it. I know I needed some more shelving. I have so many knickknacks and little things, and I'm even thinking of making this a makeup shelf by my vanity, so I'll have two options for you guys. These are some of my canvases that I've had for quite some time. I will measure them and let you know the two sizes that I am using. They are originally from Michael's. I normally get the big old value packs. And the bigger frame was busted up from our move. So I just took out the canvas part and then tore apart the actual wood. And then I'm gluing the two larger pieces together. And then I'm going to glue the bottoms, and then I'm also going to reinforce them with some large craft sticks. And then I decided I didn't like the unfinished look of the edges, so I'm even going to glue around the sides and fronts of my little shelf. Now, my two canvases are rectangular canvases, so you will have two shelves that are two different sizes. If you had a canvas that were square, of course, these would be the identical size. But I had the rectangular ones, so you'll notice I have two different sized shelves. And we're just going to repeat the same process that we did for the first shelf. Glue, you could use wood glue, super glue. This is Gorilla Glue. They also sell wood glue, which I love to use as well. Whatever you have on hand is always great. And then I'm going to just reinforce the bottom with a couple of my large jumbo craft sticks. And then I'm even going to finish the same as I did with the others around the sides. And as I was gluing around the front end of my shorter piece, the two popsicle sticks didn't quite meet. So I improvised as I do best. And what I did was I layered the popsicle sticks. So kind of created like a little bit of a detailing. And then I even cut like a little top piece using the piece that I had cut before because didn't quite know what else to do. I guess you could cut a smaller piece and you wouldn't be able to tell. But that's not what I did. I had to go the more complicated route. And I decided I want my larger shelf on the bottom and then my shorter shelf. And look, I am measuring, guys, the best thing ever. I am so bad at measuring. And then I just reinforced the bottom pieces with some more Gorilla Glue and went from there. And if you didn't already know, I will tell you again. Blue is my favorite color, and I love adding blues and greens and natural colors into my home. I love vibrancy, and I decided I wanted a blue shelf. So what I decided to do was mix a whole bunch of colors until I liked it, which is what I typically end up doing. So here I am saying, I tried to recreate something that I watched on another one of my favorite channels. I will have her channel linked down below with that video, Cuban Curls. She did this awesome canvas where she made little glue dots. And let me just say, these were super hard to make. They were not even, they were so spaced out. Oh my goodness, I had the hardest time. So you want some detailing? I am not your go-to girl for that. I just went with it. So after they dried, I painted them gold, and I don't know how to make them any more round or perfectly spaced. I don't know. What have you guys ever made little glue detailing? I have done like a wood effect, but that is not what happened. This just turned out bad, guys. So I'll have that linked down below so you can watch the video yourself. All right, so we're gonna get up close and you can see how uneven they are, but you know what? I'm still going with it because I still needed a little show. This is the option if I want to display some of my knickknacks. This is a very sentimental and loving letter that my grandmother wrote, which I loved. Or option B, I might make another one for my makeup stand so I can have a whole bunch of things out on display that I like, but I just don't know. Let me know down below which option is your favorite, and I hope you guys are all staying well and safe. And don't forget to subscribe and like, dislike, all that jazz down below, and I will see you guys next time.